Well, hey, so yesterday morning I fired up my 3D printer and I wondered, could we in fact decrystallize some honey? So this is from a couple years ago, and I think I have a bottle on here from, yeah, both of them are from a couple years ago. So they've been at it for, over 36 hours, set at 108. So theoretically they should have not been able to get hotter than 108. Now, I already checked the one bottle out. When I did, I had this insulated food carrier that I used. Here, I'll hold it up here. And so yeah, nice and warm. Hey, what, I'm gonna show you the one. I can't resist having a little more. So yeah, that's nice and melty. Oh, let me show you this. So when I say crystallize, I mean like it's hard set. Okay. So yeah. So now it's like that. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Just YUMMO. Oh, they're just so good. It's hot as honey. It's like caramel citrus. I don't know. So it's probably like basswood and black locust. Be my guess. Wash that, and then I have this stuff, which is darker. Wow. So this would have been like from the fall, the same year, 2022. So I have not opened this up. Oh my goodness. Look at that. This is really raw honey, by the way. Should we go for it? I think we should go for it. Alright. Oh, that looks just fabulous. No way. I'm getting a little head rush now. Whew. I can't even begin to tell you. Tastes like an orange, kinda. It's probably from Michigan. Would be my guess. Anyway, works well. As far as an experiment, now I'm thinking I have an old printer or old printers. This is what you could do with the smaller beds if you're not going to use them. I mean, the old printers are kind of limpy compared to what's available now. It's good. I have like a seed tray heater with a thermistor or thermometer, so you could put under one of the jars and put just a thought, and then some kind of heat tent. I think this would work better, but there's obviously a lot of airflow around it. So anyway, I say it works, and it's pretty delicious.